beautiful even when you are aging is starting now. So like myself, I like doing a lot of natural face mask. I do it a lot. I like organic things. Beauty doesn't have to be that difficult. Looking beauty, even ancient Egyptian women and Indian women use things in their kitchen a lot. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a simple face mask you can do. It's a skin firming face mask. Ancient women use it to make their faces firm. That's why when they're getting older, they will still look young. When we are getting older, you see so many people, their eyelid will start to fall, their faces will start to get wrinkled. What this means is that the collagen under their skin is falling. So when it starts to fail their skin, you will not find yourself in that situation. So looking beautiful doesn't have to be that hard. Just can use simple things you have in your kitchen and make it work for you. Today we are going to do a skin firming face mask with only 2 ingredients. What we need is coffee. This is a coffee, natural coffee. I bought this. It's a coffee seed. I bought it and grind it myself. If you cannot find this, you can buy Nescafe, the one you find in your provision store. Coffee is a very nice ingredient. The caffeine in coffee helps to reduce inflammations like eczema, acne, and coffee can also brighten your skin. If you watch some YouTube videos, you see where people are doing coffee brightening. Yes, it helps in brightening your skin. Also, another ingredient we are going to use is this. This is aloe vera gel. I like using processed one. If you have a fresh aloe vera, you can go and scoop out the gel carefully. Don't allow the yellow water to come inside because it might scratch your skin. Then you asked me, what is the benefit of aloe vera gel to our skin? Aloe vera gel helps to soothe sunburn. If you have sunburn, aloe vera gel and vitamin E oil is the best bet for you because it has a cooling effect when you apply it, and it helps to moisturize your skin and boost wound healing. This is the moisturizer I use at night. I have a video separately for this where I mix it with rose water and vitamin E oil. It's my secret serum I use as my night serum. I don't use any other serum apart from this. It also reduces infections and acne and can also brighten you. It also helps in skin firming. The combination of these 2 ingredients is magical. Watch me, let me mix it together and apply. Sit tight and watch. You mix them, the 2 ingredients together, and mix it very well.